Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create levitating effect in After Effects. So let's get started. For this you're gonna need two shots. They are: first shot is your hand with no object, and you should think like something is floating on your hand. This is the shot number one, guys. And this is the second shot, guys. That is an object floating with a string or an USB cable also, guys. You can do whatever you want. You can place any object whatever you want. So we got the items we want, guys. So let's get into the video. So first step is, guys, you have to open After Effects in your laptop and go to file and import the two shots we have taken, guys. Okay, I'm importing. First video is imported. You have to check import from selection, and we have to import another also, guys. Another shot we have taken, that ball like object. Second one also has been placed on top of the first. Okay, and now we have to click on roto tool, guys, there, and click on the object we want and draw, guys, from where you want to get selected. I'm drawing. Then you can see the purple image that is selected, and now click on the freeze button, guys. It will take some time as per the conditions of your PC. It has took me just a few minutes, guys. Yes, guys, the process has been done, and now you're gonna add some details as feathering, like that, guys. Okay, I'm doing do as I done, guys. Okay, and now click S on your keyboard, guys, for scaling, to increase or decrease the size of an object, and click on P for positioning, right or left, or up and down. Okay, guys, choose whatever you want and however you want, guys. You have to add some curves, guys. In effects menu, click on curves and do what I done, guys, to see the better results. And now you can see that the object is getting dark, guys. You can see that, and do the curves as per your environment, guys. Means the light, which side the light is coming, you have to see in your video, guys. Okay, by that we can do our curve adjustment. Mine has done, guys. I have done it. And choose brightness and contrast also, guys, for better video quality. It is very important, guys, or otherwise your video quality may be less. You can see that I am adjusting brightness and contrast as my environment, so you can see that. Yes, guys, now my video has been done. Yes guys, my video has been done. You can check that the object is floating in my hand correctly. So we can render it right now. Go to composition, add to render queue, and click on last option guys, and you have to save in your file or on desktop also guys. I'm choosing desktop and save guys, and the video has been done guys. You can see the video preview right from your desktop video guys. For the most important, you have to click render option guys, then only your video will be saved on your desktop. Now I am closing and reviewing my video, whether the video is properly or not. You can see that my video is perfectly alright and it is floating. So that's it to the video guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.